Hello everyone, I'm Alicia. Welcome to my Beautiful Nights channel. For this video, I'm going to open up another monthly subscription from BohemStyle. In case you're interested in this box, I will leave a link for it down there below in the description bar. All you have to do is click the more, you'll see more, click that and it will expand. And I'm also going to link the individual materials I get in this box in case you just want a few things but not the entire box, alright? So let's see what we got. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. We got some pinks and purples and it looks like a teal, like turquoise color. It looks like it's gonna be really fun. Flowers. I'm a flower freak. Oh my gosh. This looks like really epic. Okay. So, in case you're new to this subscription is a kit. And in this box you'll get materials to make a necklace and a bracelet. Sometimes it'll be like a huge extravagant necklace with a pair of earrings. It just depends. I know it's for the holidays they'll do a necklace, bracelet, earrings, all three. So in here is a link to a video tutorial that will show you how to put the pieces together in this box to make the projects, alright? So let's see what we have. I'm very excited. We have some very large bell flowers, and this is the biggest size I have seen in this bead, in this shape of bead. I have a few in my stash. I think I have this in a blue, like a what's it called? Capri blue. I have two of them, but I can't remember if I have any other colors or not. But they're really awesome. I love them for lariats and all kinds of goodies. Earrings and stuff. Here are some Druks. This is the Pastel line. I think it's called Teal. These are quite large. Maybe 10 or 12 millimeter. And to save time, I'm not going to open up every single bag. You can see a lot of the bead through the bag, but things that are, you know, not so basic, I will open up for you guys. Here are some more bell flowers, but this one here is more detailed. I will open up this one for you. This one here doesn't have as much detail on it. This one does, but what I have noticed with these bell flowers, this one here is always perfect. That style bell flower, always. I have never got a defective looking one. But these here, I have seen these looked defective, where they're not like perfectly shaped. But it's not bad. It totally looks fine because it is more of a realistic shape with all the veins and stuff, the patterning. Like that one here is kind of missing a petal. See what I'm talking about? But it's not a big deal because of how they look. They look kind of real. So this is also a pastel. This one, the pastel line is pastel pink. So you can see how they kind of look similar. They have like a pearl look to them, like a white pearl. And then we have, oh my gosh, this is on both sides. I've never seen this coating on both sides. I've only seen it on one side. This is a forget-me-not flower. This is a bell flower. That's a bell flower. I forgot to mute my phone. I usually do that when I haven't filmed in a while. I forget. But those are crazy gorgeous. I wonder what that color is. Okay, they make some, by the way, this box, they make some gorgeous flower designs. I've already done a few of them. So this flower here is different from this one. The big purple one. It has like 6 petals, right? Or is that one? Well, that one has 5. I thought they both had 6. So this one has 5 petals. This one has 6, but this one has more patterning on it. See the top? You can see the petals better of the flower. It's pretty. This is a luster pink. Okay, and then we have jump rings. Those are small, like 4 millimeter. jumps. I can't tell if I'm in frame. Yep, okay. And then, oh my gosh, look at these. So this is the same flower as the pink one, but it's purple and blue. And I guess this coating is sprayed on. Isn't that neat? It's really cool. So that's a lot of flowers already, and there's still more in there. We have leaves. This is one of my favorite check leaves. I have a lot of these in my stash. I went on a hunt for these, and I found a lot of them. They come in so many colors. I've never seen this color though. That's pretty. And I've used these, you know, to make my flowers. I wonder what that is. It looks like it's in the pastel line, but it's like dark. It's teal, but it's darker than that one. Okay, and then we have, oh boy, this is going to take a while to make this project. We have a whole bunch of ball head pins. That's a lot. Oh my gosh, this is going to take a while. I wonder if there's chain. So this probably means that I will upload the Check Beads exclusive box first, because I'm going to be working on this for a while. So, yeah. So this is the same color, the blue and a purple, but this is the tiniest bellflower that I've seen. I think it's a 6mm. I don't remember the sizes of those. Man, that's a lot of ball head pins. It looks like there's 100 in there. They're cute. I wonder if any of these flowers will be stacked. I will have to see. We have two chunky jump rings. Looks like 18 gauge, 7mm, maybe. Jump rings. Okay. And trying to get organized. We have more Druk. This is pastel pink. And I think that's a 10mm, so maybe that's 12. And then we have some cord. I like this color. It's a dark purple. This looks like waxed cotton cord. And then we have Suede Lace. This is gorgeous. This is a really pretty purple. I actually like this shade more than that one. Suede Lace. Oh my gosh, how are they gonna... Maybe I'm gonna be making huge loops and it slides onto this. How's this gonna work? So we have some more bellflowers. These are dark green, but again, it's like that pastel line, but it's a dark green. Same shape as these pink ones. It's very pretty. It actually looks like a peacock green. It's really nice. Okay, and then we have extender chain, the open curb chain there, and then a lobster claw clasp. So does that mean it's just going to be a necklace and earrings, ear wires? Oh my gosh, I bet the earrings are going to be really cute. And then we have eye pins. These look like they're stainless steel. I will have to put the code in and see, but they have that dark color that the stainless steel has. Do you see how these are very bright silver and these are darker? They look stainless, but I will see. I'll put the code in and find out. Okay, and then we have a large, again, pink Druk. This one looks a little bit darker, just barely though. And again, it's a big one, maybe 12mm. And then more flowers. Is this one bigger? No. So this is Crystal AB. It's clear. An AB finish. See, there's still another one in the bag. Same shape. This is so cute. I love the colors. Okay, what else? Oh, we have these cord crimp ends. And I wonder if they're going to put 2 cords side by side, because it's actually 2 cords wide. Or maybe they'll do multiple cords, because you could do that too. Like all 3 and like braid them or something. I don't know. I'm trying to figure it out. This cord is gorgeous. I love this color. It's peach. It's a pink peach though. It's very pretty. It looks different on my camera, but it's a pinkish peach color. Very pretty. And this, by the way, this is suede lace. And then this is wax cotton cord. This is Chinese nylon knotting cord, which is my all-time favorite cord to work with. I love that stuff. Okay, and nothing spilled. Nope. Okay, so this is everything in this box. I'm very excited about this. I think this is going to take a while, though. I don't know if I will be using all of these ball head pins. I have to watch the video. But, I might have to put this box up first. I usually do this one at the first of the month, and this one on the 3rd. But if this takes longer, then I will have to do the other one first. But I'm very excited, and hopefully I have enough time to work on this later today. So I can't wait to dig into this. So this is it. I hope you guys enjoyed the box opening, and remember, I will put a link to the BohemStyle monthly subscription down there below in the description bar, and I'm also going to put individual links that you hear to the materials in case you just want like some of these flower beads, or maybe you want the leaves. Maybe you're working on a project right now where you like some leaves, and you'll see links to everything here down there below in the description in case you just want a few things. Alright, so this is it. Please like this video, leave me a comment, subscribe if you want to see more of my videos, and make sure you click the bell button so that you get notified whenever I upload new videos, and follow me on my social media sites. I'm on Instagram, Pinterest, and Twitter. Thanks for watching.